Hi, today we're going to look at a really simple concept in Excel, using cell references in formula creation rather than raw numbers. Let's say you wanted to add two numbers together. You could simply type the formula into a cell in Excel. Press the return key and the answer would populate your cell. Or you could populate two cells with the numbers you wish to add up in your formula. Then click in the cell you want to populate with the result. Press the equal sign. Next, click on the first cell you want in your addition. Then click on the plus sign, followed by clicking on the second cell you want to add into your addition. Finally, press the return key. This will return the summation of the two cells. If your data to be added was in column form, once you perform the first addition, hover over the bottom right of the cell with the result in, and when a plus sign appears, left click and drag the formula down your relevant columns and they will be populated with the same formula, shifted down by one row each time the result cell is shifted down. Thanks for listening. Join me again for more quick hints and tips for Excel.